Get into the 2017 BMW i3. This vehicle still has fewer than 15,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Live wisely, drive intelligently. Take the thoughtful path when you choose an automobile designed with the future in mind. Drive the i3. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, leather steering wheel, rear spoiler. Be eco-friendly without sacrificing the joy of driving. Have good green fun behind the wheel of the i3.